Good morning to all. So today my topic is continuous uniform distribution. So continuous uniform distribution is generally described as the most simplest probability distribution, and it is a type of continuous probability distribution. By continuous probability distribution, we mean that the random values are continuous. So what do you mean by random continuous values? It means that the random variable of interest can take any value in an interval. It is also termed as rectangular distribution. This is because the density function in this probability distribution is constant. It implies that the probability of a random variable x will remain same throughout the experiment. So it is the graph of the probability distribution lying in the interval a to b, where a is the minimum value and b is the maximum value. The effects of this distribution is given by the formula 1 upon b minus a, where a is called the location parameter and b minus a is called the scale parameter. We could easily derive this probability distribution function by taking into account the fact that the total area under the density curve is 1. So, as is clear from the figure, height is equal to 1 upon b minus a, width is equal to b minus a. So, taking the formula of area of rectangle, that is width into height, we will arrive at this final formula. So, the final definition of uniform probability distribution is a continuous random variable X has a uniform distribution denoted by U in the interval a to b if its probability density function is 1 upon b minus a for x lying between a and b and 0 elsewhere. So, the continuous uniform distribution has certain important properties. The first property is the graph of the distribution has a constant height since the probability of each random variable is constant throughout the experiment. We have already discussed this point in the starting of the presentation. The second point is we can't calculate the probability at a particular point, but rather we can do so in an interval using integration. So here we are trying to calculate the probability in the interval C and D, provided it lies in the interval A and B. So here is the formula we obtained on integration. For calculating the expected value, we'll use this formula and arrive at the final formula B plus A divided by 2. Since the graph is symmetrical, therefore mode is going to be equal to mean. Thus the mode is given by b plus a divided by 2. So the variance is calculated by the formula expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. So if we do the required calculation, the final formula is b minus a whole square upon 12. We know that standard deviation is just the root of the variance, and hence we could also derive at this formula quite easily. The probability that a uniformly distributed random variable falls within an interval is independent of the location itself, and this property of the probability distribution is defined as uniformity. This could be explained by looking at this required calculation, where the value of probability will come out to be independent of the value of x. So, the continuous uniform distribution has certain application due to its simplicity, and it could be used for various sampling techniques like hypothesis testing samples, random sampling case, finite, etc. But the assumption is made that the probability of falling in an interval of fixed length is constant. So here is an example which helps us to understand this probability distribution much clearer. So here is the data set, and from this data set we can calculate the mean, the variance and the standard deviation using the required formula. Thank you.